తలనొప్పి, నరాల బలహీనత, మూర్ఛ వ్యాధి, పక్షవాతం, బ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రోక్, బ్రెయిన్ ట్యూమర్స్, మెడ, వెన్నెముక సమస్యలు, పక్షవాత సమస్యలకు పరిపూర్ణ వైద్యం. మన దేశంలో ఎక్కడా లేని ఆపరేషన్ థియేటర్, అమెరికాలో జరిగే వైద్యం ఇప్పుడు గుంటూరులో. చిన్న కోత ఆపరేషన్ల ద్వారా కేవలం 2 రోజుల్లోనే డిశ్చార్జ్. డాక్టర్ రావ్స్ న్యూరో హాస్పిటల్, గుంటూరు. సంప్రదించండి 9010056444, 9010057444.
The neural basis of emotion, unraveling the complexities of human feelings. Emotions are complex things. They can make us happy, sad, angry, scared, or anything. But what exactly happens in our brains when we experience an emotion? Scientists have been studying the neural basis of emotion for many years. They have found that different brain parts are involved in different emotions. For example, the amygdala is involved in fear, the hypothalamus is involved in anger, and the ventral striatum is involved in pleasure. In addition to these specific areas, some general brain networks are involved in emotion. These networks include the limbic system, the prefrontal cortex, and the hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal axis. A limbic system is a group of brain structures involved in emotion, memory, and motivation. The prefrontal cortex is the part of the brain responsible for higher-order thinking, such as planning, decision-making, and social behavior. And the hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal axis is a system that controls the release of hormones that are involved in the stress response. So, what does all of this mean? It means that our emotions are not just a matter of feeling happy or sad. They are also a product of complex brain processes. If you want to learn more about the neural basis of emotion, I recommend talking to a neurosurgeon. Dr. Rao's is one of the best neurosurgeons in India. He works at Dr. Rao's Hospital in Guntur. His phone number is 910056444, and his website is https://drraoshospitals.com. Here are some simple tips for understanding your emotions. Pay attention to your body. When you feel an emotion, notice what physical changes are happening in your body. For example, you might feel your heart racing, your palms sweating, or your muscles tense. Label your emotions. Once you have noticed the physical changes, try to label the emotion you are feeling. For example, you might say to yourself, "I am feeling angry," or "I am feeling sad." Talk to someone about your emotions. If you struggle to understand your emotions, talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can be helpful. Remember, emotions are a normal part of life. They are there to help us. So, don't be afraid to feel your emotions. Just try to understand them so that you can healthily use them.